Rimaikapta Ajui Kamandaya Baubing Ukrul Taxi Service Mathamai Kawai Association Qatar Semhaira Cycling Handi Manipur with Thot Majan Aung Shina Maikaya Sampangdu Haira Kamchongli PMGSY Ot Matada Yang Sang Kawai Shorgali Katong Haira Lake Kayangator, Aju the Tangkhul Express with Pau, AYACLEAR KHARAY in a Bamidale, Pau Bing Mesa Inang Anangramsa. Ukruli Taxi Gazat Yankasang Long Kaninangarumda, Association Qatar Semhaira. Ukrul Townly Taxi Service Mathamai Kawai, Ningrin Akawi Alungli, Ukrul District Passengers Service Association Hawa, Udbasa, Kala Ukrul District Taxi Welfare Association Udwa, Nangashikta Ukrul Town Taxi Service Dal Shokhaira. Udwa Local Taxi UTTS G Ukrul Town Taxi Service Controlling Board We Azingli Leira. Association Kala Jiwi Pungverbing Zingom Katumwi Wang Kapankasangna the Pauji Kangavau Le Adorization Program Aya Bakshi Ground Tungreli Kwigaya. Association Chithada Zadra Gachi Ukrul ADC Caretaker Chairman Mark Air Luitingna Ngavau Mida Gazipchi UTTSCB Secretary and Additional SB Ringting Hongchui Udwa President CH Cutting Vice President Grayson Valui TNL Vehicle in Charge K. Ahau Bumrei Baptist Church Pastor Reverend Joshua Zimik Atumla Watzanga Pau hi Ukrulian we aina samkapangna. Ukrul Town Taxi Services we Azingli, Taxi Shagatum, Hangchishat the Kani Register Sahira. Registration Arila Sam Hongdale. Association Aka we Azingli Town we Taxi Logo, La Machu Aka aina Zadrada Laitale. Arunachal Pradesh Li Rungmi Gahai, MTB Tawang Challenge Li. Tangkhul now Thot Majan Aung Shina Maikaya Sampanghaira. Thot Majan Cross Country Olympic Men's Junior 15.2 kilometers event li Yuhaira. Kakanyali Nebar with Tip Sakar Tamang, Nebar Kala, Mekaliawi, Lumbromi Pawana Gagatumali Zanga. Cross Country Relay Men's 7.6 kilometer event lila, Ronel Kundrambam Aina, Thot Majan Aung Shina, Kakanyali Gazang Sampanga. Men's Open Cross Country Olympics 4.5 kilometer 5 laps lila Gagatumali Gazang Sampanga. Tangkhul now mountain Piking Li, Paikar Mathamikap Kwida Klai Thot Majanna cycling events at the Italy Maikaya Sampang Rashum Haira. Thot Majan Aung Shi Zimiki Palinau, Yuting Aung Shi Zimikwi now Mayarana. Ana Gahab Kasakayaka Maganda District Level we Aina Hiranka Rashung Highway Maikaya Pali Youth Organization Naringapa Sokangai Pongshoka. Itumna Paning Ongbai Thot Majanna 14th Asian Junior Mountain Bike Championship Lila Top 10 Ligazang Sampanga. Kareli Rungmida Ngahanchili Asian Ngaling at the Taida we Aina Sharuk Queen Arokta Awi event Chilila India we Aina Thot Majan Mangna Top 10 Ligazangna. Rakhara 2024 Kum Japan Tokyo Li Rungmi Gigachi Men's Junior MTB Lila Thot Majanna India we Minganin Sada Vazangra. Ngahanchi we Wang India we Aina Thot Majan Mangli Kapanga Quina. Lansin Rinli Kachot Lay Salala, Ningasangana, Yuda Hotkana, Matanglar, Raga Hai Thot Majan we Aina, Saigorana Tamquig by Akanada, Thot Majan Aung Shi Zimikwi, Manga Aina Maikaga, PYO with Sports Secretary Somayo Kamrangna, Pongshoga. Kamchong District Li Semiran Chongfu, Christmas Mararang Laka Semikawai Federation of All Tribal Youth Club, Maniburna Shorgali Kasir Haira. BMGSY Azingli Kamchong District Li Semran, Gangbat Kulen du Choro Kulen, Chahong Kulen Gala Ningti Chongfu Hiping Hi Semgup Kawai Border Klena. Filtration to General Secretary Hobson Machinao Nakahang, roads package numbers MN09212, L025 Kangbat Kulen to Joro Kulen 14 km, L028 BRTF Road to Chahong Kulen 8.97 km kala MN KMJ0901 MN09152 TO2 Sampui to Ningti 16 km hipping he Pradhan Mantri Kram Sadak Yojana we azingli sem ko phaira the shokhaira kha gajang khat liba masem rangachi field verification vada take hui haira chia shongfu ngachak khai zakashi la black topping aming aina hammi laga ot ko phaira da mahang bai mana da verification field examination mathada sami laga shongfu ji Christmas mararang laga semmi khawai federation jina bohaira Ukhrul district Bakery Farmers Producer Organization na Central Government we azingli mingchan sa khawai yari gazip ngho thaira long jiwe azingli schemes kala kan khana ngatatai da samphang khawai centrally registered sara gachina yari gazip chili Ukhrul headquarter we veterinary department ADC team SPI Ukhrul branch, MSCB Ukhrul branch, additional SP Ukhrul H Ringting Atumna resource persons Samira. Gazip Chili Punjab National Bank LDM Aina Nabardwi DDM Lila Ngahot Haidale. Yarili Ukhrul District Bakery Farmers Producer Organization we Maram Hangjitera, Kala scheme Saina benefits Maram La Pajitera. Ukhrul District Bakery Farmers Producer Organization Yari Gazipchi, Rakhara Tarik Magada Jishat, Ngator Bung Tara, Town Hall Ukhruli Bamra. Gazipchili members registration La Sabaira, Gum Kareli members Shashini Hangpangamang Kwisangra, Kala Chi Rakhare Reli Midale. Long Chui Pungvu Bam Ngatatai with nomination La Shomi Dale. Bodybuilding Physique Ngahan 61st Mr. Manipur 2023 Rakhara December Kayon Kachang Rungmi Gida Laitale. Ngahan Juli Sharok Kwikawai All Manipur Bodybuilders Association na form Mishok Pokhaira. 61st Mr. Manipur Chi December Kayon Tarik Chiko Aina Taratang Auditorium Hall Trainings Borambat Likwikara. Ngahan Chui Senior Group Chiko, Junior with Group Taruk, Master with Group Katum, Physically Challenge Open, Women Bodybuilding Open, Men's Sports Physique Open, Women's Sports Physique Open, the category being Hing Hanra. District level associations Kala Ambawi affiliated gyms being na competition form chi Amba office command nambagli Kwilaga, Chilimi Sankhawaing Hotale. Physically challenged athlete bingli competition fee makwimarad Kala December direction na form Mikasang Kanawa Zmikshong Asara. Maniburot Kamarad Lishim Shiman Kahai internally displayed persons Pingna Kasem Pang Odyormi Kawai Ranye Hapokhaira. Ranye Chi Manipur State Rural Livelihood Mission na Department of Rural Development and Panchayati Raj we Azingli Makok Mida Iboyama Shumang Lila Shanglen Imphal East Li Rungmidale. Gazip Chili State League Relief Camp Hangchishadda Gatumwi, IDBs Pingna, Bangtem Jitemi Yormida, Stalls Hangpanga Rungmidale. Chili Ponda IDBs Pingna Bangers, Entrepreneurs, and a Government Departments Pingli, Nasan Kwikawai Adam Lamidale. Internally displayed personers Pingli Gagadom Chiteda, Ot Kayor Gazip Chili, Yarina Razangmi Kawai, MSRLM nang hotale. Ranyeji Wednesday dang hapokda ajikup sangra. Manipur Performing Arts with Torinjan Nikamadaya Kangasa, Rup Mahal Theatre we Stage Organa, Luba Kror Mati Mira Chihaira. Theatre Ji Luba Kror Mati Aina Semkalu Rada Manipur Chief Minister N. Biren Singh Namatui Mihaira. Ajahon Tang Theatre Chili, Iningto, Kulajandra Gaho Kumaywi, KHARAY Show Jiteda, CM Biren Navatsanga. show jina Rupmahar Theatre Chui Shakhani Hangmadida Gaturuga stage playing asaya. Iningto Gulajandra play show ji Chief Minister ki Ardis Singh ki Tengbangwi Adzingling Aran Kamina Gala China Maharaja Gulajandrawi Sami Gahai Chikat Migahai Maram Tengasakra da CM na Maya Kangai Pongshoga. Torinjanwi Kamadaya Ochot Tehran Maramli Matuida 7 years devastation Gala Maharaj Gambir Singh Maharaj Narsingh Hirajandra Longway Maramlila Flam Shograda later Biren Hanga. Myanmar Sagyang Region Shong People's Defense Force BDF na attack sada bomb Kangwakli mi aka tihera Panga Sazuhera. BDF na Manipur we underground group akali attack sana jidale. Ochoji min tar bam Myanmar border pilar 90 to 91 matakli Wednesday ngator bung matishikali kashokna. Tigahaya gadriji yari bog top matak lekai wimina. Ali Reader Security Forces na tukui haisada Guhadi Gel Zanghai na jidale. Sazu Gahai Ngachili Akava critical analydale. Ochot Kashok Bom Ngalemli Kalai Lamdi Lila Bom Kangawa Kon Shavayada IFB Pau Sampanga. Lakavak Tanandila Wednesday Ngashun Valley Base UG outfit in a People's Democratic Front Ngakap Ngaroga. Myanmar crisis with Maramli Chief Minister N. Biren Singh Nagahang Itungwi Taribamli Security Reinforce Sahira Gala Situation Monitor Sadale. Assam Rifles Mang Maningla State Security Forces PSF Gala CRPF the deploy Sagahaina the CM Nahanga. Tourism Development Wivang Ministry na Manipur we Bishnubulila Kapangkhihaira. India ngalay tourism maling may semga khwai. India we abam ngatatay we destinations hangpanga kapangkakwili. Northeast states we abam tarada pangajang dale. Manipur we ena akha kala Northeast states katebing we ena abam kanirip kapangkhihaira. Ajahon thang Shillongli 11th International Tourism Mart Makokmida, Chile Union Tourism Secretary V. Vidyavatina Gahang, Kapangkhui Gahai Abam Bing Chile overall tourism experience wivang, Ningsanglag Aina Yangsangmi Kigachina. Arunachal Pradesh Li Najo Aina, Michuka, Assam Li Chorhad Aina, Korajar, Manipur li Moirang Pishnubur, Meghalaya li Shillong aina Sora, Mizoram li Aizawl aina Jampai, Nagaland li Nuiland aina Jumu Gedima, Sikkim li Gangtok aina Yashing Kala, Tripura li Agartala aina Unagoti Hipinghili, Tourism Development Focus Sagi Gachina. Development Chief Ministry of Tourism we Swadesh Darshan Scheme li Gazangna. As Swadesh Darshan Scheme 2015 and 2022 we alongly center na Northeast Tourism wivang luba 1300 crore month project Tarada Turuk sanction samigi gachina. Northeast Lileda Kalai viewpoints Magada Kani wivang luba 44.44 crore month development project center na Miami Gahaina. Chile world-class infrastructure kala services, highway networks, commercial spaces, logistic parks hekata semira chuya. Mega tourism conclave the Meghalaya Capital League Katumtang Rongmida Aya Kupsanga. Latluida Ajui Kamadaya Bauping. Ukrul Taxi Service Mathamai Kawai Association Qatar Semhaira. Cycling Honda Manipur with Tot Majan Aung Shina Maikaya Sampang Haira. Kamchongli PMGSY Ot Matada Yang Sankawai Shorgali Katong Haira. Ajui Bao Henang Chong Haira. Bao another claim atum cycle ring apa, Gala Kamahaya Zmikshong Saserano.